Good morning, children. Today, let us start third lesson of value education, that is India, my motherland. Children, India, that is our country. So, why it is called as motherland? Because we will stay in the arms of India, so we call it as motherland. India is my motherland, hence all Indians are my brothers and sisters. What does it mean? It means that we have to be like brothers and sisters, not only in the home but with others. I love my country, so I should be proud of its rich and varied culture. That means what, children? We have to love our country, and it has too much richness. Richness in what? Richness in beauty, temples, monuments, okay, culture. Varied means many. I must always work for its progress. So, progress means what, children? To improve India a lot, we have to work hard. This is patriotism, love for the motherland. Patriotism means love for country. Okay. So patriotism increases love for the mother. Bharat Mata is my mother, great mother. We live in her lap. She gives me air to breathe, food to eat, water to drink, and clothes to wear because I am her child. Since I have told you why we call it as motherland, because we live in her lap, we eat food, we breathe air, we drink water, we wear clothes, so we are child of India. Bharat Mata. Okay. Our national anthem is a source of inspiration to all of us. Yes, children. Whenever we sing national anthem, the spirit we get to sing the national anthem, when we sing, we will get a goosebump because it is explanation of glory to India. First, it was written in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. Who wrote this national anthem? Bengali poet. Who is he? Rabindranath Tagore. Who is he? Rabindranath Tagore. Yes. Then it was translated into English and other languages. The English version is as follows. Children, I will just tell the gist of this national anthem, okay? Thou art the ruler of the minds of a people, dispenser of India's destiny. Thy name arose, roses the heart of Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat and Maratha, of the Dravid and Orissa and Bengal. It echoes in the hills of Vindhyas and Himalayas, mingles in the music of Yamuna and Ganga, and is chanted by waves of the Indian Ocean. They chant only the name, they pray for the blessing and sing thy praise. The salvation of all people waits in thy hand, thou dispenser of India destiny. Victory to thee. Thee in Old English its meaning is you. Victory to thee, victory to thee. Victory, victory, victory to thee. Thee means who, children, here? India. Now let me explain what is the meaning of national anthem. Children, so many rulers with the great soldiers, they have brought the freedom for our country. How they have brought the freedom? By sacrificing their lives. So we will always remember them in our national anthem. And from where these people were, from where these rulers were? The rulers were from Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat and Maratha and Dravida, Orissa and Bengal. So many people. And the beauty of hills, that is Vindhya and Himalayas. Children, why they say it echoes in the hills of Vindhyas and Himalayas means our richness is such. See, children, from the head of the India map, we can have an icy area, that is Himalayas. Okay, so Delhi, we have forts there. Mumbai, we have their airport, so many things we have. Gate of India, Gateway of India, India Gate, so many things. Our India has so many monuments, okay, and it has a rich heritage, traditions are there, so much cultures are there. So it is mingling in the music of Yamuna and Ganga. Yamuna and Ganga are the rivers which flow in the India. And how they are flowing, children? They are flowing with the chanting of the rulers. They are chanting the names of the brave rulers who have got the freedom for us, and they will be always blessed by everybody. And the salvation means what, children? Saving. The saving of all the suffering of the people also will be washed by the Indian destiny, by the rulers of India. So they are saying it is a glory to India. Victory means glory. Every Indian should hold high the honor of country, sing the praises of national anthem with attention and reverence. Yes, children. So wherever you hear the national anthem, maybe you become grandfather also, you have to stand in attention and you have to sing the national anthem, because it says the glory of India and we should honor our country. Now here, please remember, singing the national anthem is an act of patriotism. Why we must sing this national anthem? Because it is a duty of patriotism. This is an action of patriotism. Because to show the patriotism, only singing and sitting at home, no. We have to serve. We have to defend also. We have to protect our country. We should love our India. Therefore, when the national anthem is being sung, stand in attention and join in singing. Wherever you hear, you have to stand in attention and join the singing. Now let us see the exercise of this lesson in the next video. Thank you, children.